Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a 5-minute trick that increases sales and organic traffic on any website. This can lead to more AdSense revenue, more traffic, more leads, and it literally takes no time. Make sure that you do this right now as well, because it does take a little bit of time to actually see the effects of this. But basically what I want to show you is this website right here, right? This is suppliesforhunting.com. This was an experiment. Suppliesforhunting.com. This was what we would class as a failed experiment. The reason it's failed is because we didn't even release the website properly. It was kind of all messed up. There's quite a lot of mistakes here, right? For example, these links here do not lead to any collections. I don't think we even really did the collections as far as I know. There's also like placeholders at the bottom here. You can see iPads and tablets. This is a hunting store, so obviously we don't have iPads or tablets. We don't have any of this stuff. I don't think any of these pages were ever made either, or if they were, they're just placeholder content. This is not a real address, or it's not connected to us at least. So yeah, this is kind of the website, right? So what's this trick that I'd like to show you guys in today's video? So if I just show you these guys' numbers, right? So 21 clicks in 3 months, 909 impressions. That's pretty terrible, right? However, what if I told you this store has done almost 2,000 in sales, right? So where is this coming from? What the hell is this? How is it possible that it's done this amount of sales from 22 clicks? Well, the answer is actually Bing. If I go on here, yeah, it's still only 16 clicks, but look at some of these keywords that it's actually getting clicks for, right? So I just sort this by clicks. Look, this is a for sale keyword, right? So SR22, did we sell one of these? Probably. Yeah, it's literally, that's exactly what this is, right? It's SR22. So if I go here, you can see first session from Bing, right? View full sessions. They literally landed on our product page, probably searched for exactly that keyword, right? This 22 replacement. This is another one. A lot of these have buy in the name. And you can see here again, it's exactly the same, right? Threaded barrel kit. Seems like we're just ranking for this one item all over the internet. Another sale on that item, that's crazy. Another sale on that item. Oh my God, we've literally, all we've sold is these. That's actually hilarious, what the hell? I didn't even realize it was all the same item. Literally, we've sold all the same item except one, right? So by putting us both on Bing and Google, right, we effectively doubled our clicks, right, times 2, which means we doubled our sales, right? Now, these are low numbers, but if you take your website, let's take Two Men as an example, right? Let's just go here. Let me just show you this. Two Men got an extra 875 clicks in 3 months, right? So Two Men generally does extremely well. If I just search for Two Men here, you'll see in the last 3 months, it'll probably be, what would it be? It would be 30K clicks, maybe? Oh, 56K, Jesus. So we have 56,000 clicks here, right? But we also have an extra 875, which doesn't sound like a lot, okay? But if we look at some of these keywords, again, Barber Napoli, huge keyword. Cesarettolini, huge keyword. Kiton, the main keyword of this website, right? I'd bet that it got more clicks for that keyword because it's such a competitive keyword on Bing than it did on Google, right? So let's just check that. So exact query, Kiton, I doubt there would have been a lot of clicks. Let's have a look. Okay, 27 clicks. So again, numbers aren't crazy, right? But to get an extra however many clicks on Kiton, right? On the main keyword, so 5. So it literally got 1/5 of the clicks that it got on Google, on Bing, from way less impressions. Now the reason for this, by the way, if you don't know, is Bing. Oh, the hell? What happened there? Bing is far less competitive, meaning you can rank more easily with the same SEO. Now, you might be thinking, so how is this a 5-minute trick? Well, if you didn't know, you can add your website to Bing in 5 minutes. There's actually a way, right, to import from Search Console. You can press add site here, import, continue, right? This will log you into OAuth, and then from OAuth you can actually press import all websites, right? I can't show you a lot of these websites, so I won't show you because some of them are NDA, etc. Some of them are clients, but this is standard procedure for us at Craft Agency. If you want to work with us, by the way, there'll be a link in the description of this video. This is we do this for all of our website, all of our clients, and also just a quick mention: all of what I've talked about in this video is already on the Skool. If I just go to Classroom here and go to SEO from scratch, right? So if you want to know this kind of stuff and get used to this kind of stuff, etc., in a bit more of a digestible format, definitely check out the Skool as well. So you can actually see here, look, I talk about set up Google Analytics, Search Console, Bing Webmaster, and Yandex, right? If I just show you guys, now I haven't been on here in a long time. I don't even know if I'll be able to log in here, to be honest with you. But it's also on Yandex. Yandex? What is that? What? I've never seen such a ridiculous captcha in my entire life. Okay, so the SMS from Yandex isn't arriving, but I think last time I checked, it was getting, Two Men was getting about 80 clicks a day from Yandex. Oh, nice. The code actually arrived. Okay, so they've obviously changed the way they do this because apparently I'm no longer on Yandex, which is kind of annoying. I probably will add myself to Yandex again. It's pretty easy to do. But you can see generally, like if I just go on Yandex and type in Kiton, for example, I wonder if Two Men is here. It's not on the first page. I'll just quickly show you how you can do this. So you just go on online store, themes, click here, edit code, go to, I think it's theme.liquid, yeah. And then inside the head, put an enter and then press save. Now if you look here though, they used to, oh, I see what's happened. When I updated the theme, it didn't, that's so annoying. I updated the theme, but it didn't update the code, so we might have lost a bit of progress here, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. Okay, that's a real shame because I mean we were getting crazy traffic from that, but it turns out I can't actually show you that, but that's fine. I'm gonna leave the video there, guys. I just wanted to talk about this quickly, mention that this is possible and that you can get sales from this. We do get sales from Yandex, we do get sales from Bing. So I just searched Yandex here. So if I just click on this one, for example, should be able to see something about Yandex on this order. Okay, so it just had a Yandex email. Yeah, no, these are just Yandex emails. But anyway, I'll leave the video there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching all the way to the end of this video, make sure that you do what I've just told you to do. And I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.